guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I did a fall haul video for you guys, but I'm so excited to show you the things that I picked up. It's been such a long time since I did a video. I think it's been like 2 years since I did a fall haul video, and I know some of you guys have been asking me like on Snap, like, where did you get this pillow or where did you get that? Of course, Snapchat always sees it first. So I'm going to be filming this for you guys and letting you know where I picked it up, just in case if you guys were interested. As you can see, these are going to be my fall colors for this year. I really hesitated on going with pink because I love pink. I love blush pink. I love any type of pink, but it's so much easier to find things that like are orange or black and white or brown, and those are not the colors of my home. As you can see, my colors of my home are like gray and white. I can't just pass by like a pink pumpkin and be like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna get that. I ended up getting a lot of pink things. I thought they were so cute, and where I live, everything's very limited. I even had to go out of town to go get some of these things because I was already there, so I said, why not look at the stores? So yeah guys, it's a pretty long fall haul, and I am going to continue with my fall series. Yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump into the fall haul. I'm going to start off with at home. So I don't have an at home where I live, but I have one 2 hours away, so we're already in the area. So I picked up some things. Oh my gosh, there's a hole in the bag. I picked up this really gorgeous like sign. I know it's like pretty simple, but I love the colors. I love the pink heart here, and this was only $6.99 at home. So I'll probably put this on my coffee station or on the mantle. I need to decide where I'm going to put it. But oh my gosh, it's raining outside. Yeah, so I picked this up at home for $6.99. I love the colors, so this was screaming my name. But I also picked up this other cute sign, which you could, I loved it because you could just put it as a picture frame, so you could like move it around, and I thought it's really cute. It says, I still fall for you every day. Again, I love the colors, gray, pink, white. I'm starting to love this like rustic white, like it's been calling my name. So this was only $4.99, and I bought two, like one on the mantle, one in the coffee station. My drip, this really cute coffee mug. Y'all don't know by now, I have an obsession with coffee mugs. I don't know why, but I do. But this says pie and coffee weather, which is definitely pie and coffee weather right now. And this was $6.99. It's food safe and hand wash only. I always look at that because sometimes like I put it in the microwave, I'm like, oh crap. So that's what I picked up at home. Next, I picked this up from Michael's. I thought it was really pretty. I don't really like the orange so much, but like I said, like it called me because it has like this little hay, like rustic looking pumpkin. So I was like, okay, might as well get it. I love the detail. I don't know if y'all could see it. I love how it has like this yarn detail at the tip here, and then like a hay type bow with the rustic white pumpkin. So I thought that was really cute. This was $12.99, but it had 50% off, so I just forgot to mention that. I bought two larger pumpkins like this, and then I bought two small ones. So this large one is $6.99, and I love how it just like goes with everything except for orange. And then this small little pumpkin, so this was $4.99. Again, I bought two of them and they were 50% off. So I bought this at Hobby Lobby, and this was $11.99. but I think like once I light it up, I might like put pink lights or something, but I think it's gonna go well. It was 40% off. So yeah, I like the garland. So this is gonna go on my mantle. I have a mantle wherever I live. I like love decorating it with like either a garland, with lights, flowers. If you all have seen my other decorate with me videos, I always put something on the mantle. So I think this would look really nice with some lights. And again, I want you guys to come along with me so we could decorate this together. Also from Hobby Lobby, I picked up these really pretty pumpkins. They look like silver, like a champagne, and I love them because they are beaded. and I think they look really, really pretty. I know they'll go pretty like either on my island or on my coffee table. I love my Z Gallery pumpkins. I already took those out, but yeah, they're my favorite ones. And I thought these would look pretty with it also. I got 2 of these, and these were $15.99, and I think they had a 40% off discount. Again, I got these at Hobby Lobby, so I'm sure that they have other colors. They have like gold or bronzed, but I like this one because this was like a silvery champagne. I'm gonna start with TJ Maxx because that's where mostly all my pillows are, but this has to be my most favorite thing that I picked up out of everything that I got. I was so lucky. I went in, I was looking around for pillows, I'm like, and immediately I saw this one and I turned, and then I turned again, I'm like, wait, I go, I'm taking these. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're like a blush pink, and it has like this like suede or type of velvet texture to it. Super pretty. And then I love how the middle has like the champagne or like silver type of color, which I'm sure that's why like another reason why I picked up this, because like they go, so it won't clash. And then the detailing of the beading is so pretty. Like it has beads everywhere. I love it. Damaged it already a little bit because I had it just thrown there, so I was trying to film. So yeah, this was I think $19 from TJ Maxx. I think you could order these online. Got 2 of these, so I think one of them's gonna go on my sofa and then one of them's gonna go on my bed. I'm not sure. So if y'all like these, go out to TJ Maxx and check for them. So from Marshalls, I picked up this really gorgeous table runner. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I still love like the burlap type of style. It's like, I don't know, I think it's really pretty. I love the burlap. I love how it's simple and it's clean, but it has like these beautiful touches of pink and bronze and gold. So I think they're gonna go perfect with the pillows that I picked up. It's a beautiful runner, guys. It's like a bronzy, so that's why I think this and the bronzed like garland leaves, I think it's gonna go really pretty. So I got this at Marshalls, and this was $16.99. I think this is like perfect. I love the colors, they go with my stuff, so I picked this one up. I picked up these gorgeous pillows from Marshalls. Oh my gosh, guys, look, they are beaded. Again, same color, same texture from this from these small decor pillows, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Like I love everything that's beaded, has bling, and I love this blush pink color. This is how they'll probably be together. I think they're gonna go really pretty together. $19.99 at Marshalls. Also from Marshalls, I picked up these cute pumpkins. Again, they're just decor pumpkins. I have a entrance table, so I'm probably gonna have to take off everything and then add some things to it. But these were $9.99 at Marshalls. And then I got these kitchen towels. These always come in handy for me. If I'm washing my hands, I need something to dry. Like I always have something here, especially when I'm in the kitchen. So yeah, I always put like a rag on top, and I use it either when I'm cooking or if I need to clean. Like these really come in handy, and I love them because you can just wash them, dry them, and then use them again. Yeah, these were $12.99. They come with 3 kitchen towels and 2 bar mops, so like cleaning up your island and all that stuff. The thing that I picked up from Marshalls is this really pretty pillow. It's another decor pillow, and I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I might put this in the entrance on my bench. I have like a little bench, I might put that there. It's plain, it's simple, but I love how it just like, I love the simplicity of it. And this was $20, and it still has like a little bit of beading in it. I also picked up this really gorgeous pillow from Home Goods. I love it because it has like this like rose gold bronze color, and it says like pumpkin spice is my life, and I love the detail of it. It's simple, it's pretty, but it still has like a little bit of like shine of that rose gold. I still don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I'll find a place. I bought another oil dispenser because mine broke. This was $3.99. I don't know if y'all care for that, but I love putting my oil in here, and then I even like infuse it. Sometimes I add like garlic in here, or I add like chili flakes, and it gives you that flavor. So also at Home Goods, I picked up these really gorgeous like placemats. I couldn't decide between the two. I love this one. This is my favorite one. I love the color. It looks like a blush pink or even like a rose gold, but I think they're gonna go perfect with my table runner. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Yeah, this is definitely gonna go. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these, and these were $6.99 each, and they come with a set of 6. I really found this really cute coffee mugs. Again, I'm obsessed with decor pillows and obsessed with coffee mugs. So this one is pumpkin spice everything. I love it because it has the orange, but it also has like this line right here in the middle of blush pink with beige, and this was $3.99. This is dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Okay, next I have things from Burlington. I picked up this really cute coffee mug, another coffee mug, guys, and this was $2.99, and I love the saying of it. It says "Mommy ain't easy." And also from Burlington, I picked up these gorgeous blankets. I lucked out, guys, and I'm so happy that I waited because I looked here and they didn't really have a lot of options, and they're gonna go so pretty with the pillows. So they're gonna look really nice. These, again, they were $9.99 at Burlington. I got these pillows from Burlington's, and usually like a pillow like this alone costs maybe $25 to $30, but for 2 of them, I got them for $24.99. Target dollar spot, I have another coffee mug, of course. So it's Gather Here with Grateful Hearts. This was $3. It's not dishwasher safe, and it's not microwavable. So it's okay, I'll wash this by hand. And then I picked up some cute fuzzy socks from the dollar section. These are so cute. Can't beat these for $1. I got 2 or 3 of these, the pumpkins, and they sell stickers for these that you could decorate the pumpkin, but I just love the simplicity of it. It's plain, it's rustic looking, it's white, and it's simple, and I love it. So I'll probably just hang this up on the wall. This was $3, Target dollar spot. These are my baby's Halloween pajamas. Like, we usually don't like celebrate Halloween when it was just like my husband and I, but this year we're last year I dressed him up as a pumpkin because he was like 3 months old. And this year we don't know what we're gonna dress him up as, but now that we have a baby, I mean, we want him to enjoy and to experience, and, you know, just to be a kid and have fun and, you know, enjoy dressing up for that one night. So I think these are really cute Halloween pajamas. Also from Target, I picked up M&Ms because we love staying in and watching movies. When we buy M&Ms, we usually use them to put in our popcorn. If you guys haven't tried putting M&Ms in your popcorn, you guys are missing out. It's like sweet and salty. It tastes really good. Oh, so I kind of want to do that now. With this weather, it's just like, it just makes you want to watch movies and relax. It's gloomy out, so I'm eating the peanut M&Ms. And if you guys haven't tried the dark chocolate ones, oh my gosh, these are so good. These are my favorite ones, guys. Out of all of them, these are my favorite ones, the dark chocolate M&Ms with my popcorn. So good. So I got these in the mail, and I had to order these online, but this has to be the absolute favorite thing that I purchased. Look at these gorgeous pumpkins I picked up, guys. They are absolutely beautiful. I love them. It's pouring. Guys, I ordered these from Pier.1 Imports, and I had such a hard time looking for these because I was just like looking for like sparkly pumpkins, and this is what came out, and this is my absolute favorite pumpkins that I picked up. I love the texture. I love all the bling on it. It's just like, it looks so pretty. It doesn't really give you a color. It doesn't say silver, it doesn't say pink. It just says sparkly pumpkin. So I know some of you guys were asking where I picked this up. I ordered them online, and they were $24.99 each. So they are a little bit on the expensive side. I checked online for one of my friends, and they said like currently out of stock. So I don't know if they're going to restock or they're just not going to sell them anymore. If they're out of stock, I'm not sure. But I'll still put the link down below, and y'all could check if they still have them available or not. They're so pretty, guys. Two of these. I also ordered the larger ones because I don't really have like large pumpkins like this. I don't know, like the shape kind of really doesn't call my name. Like, I love those, but I said might as well order them so they could go together. Yeah, I think they're gonna look really pretty either on the coffee table or on the mantle. I'll figure it out, but I want you guys to come along with me because I'm gonna be doing a decorate with me video soon. Now that I'm showing you guys I could actually decorate. So yeah, these were $34.99. Again, I'll leave the link down below, but they said they were out of stock. I also picked up some things from Bath & Body Works. Picked up 3 nourishing hand soaps with pumpkin butter in the scent pumpkin apple. It smells so good. So I got 3 of these, and then I got 3 sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Again, it has pumpkin butter. It smells really good. It's sweet, but it's not as sweet as all the other ones. Like, I don't know if I'm getting older, but I don't like that much of the sweet scent anymore. I also picked up 3 candles. This one, I loved it just because of the packaging. And the scent is actually really good. This is pumpkin cupcake. Looks really cute. It's really pretty. This one smells really pretty too. White pumpkin. It doesn't smell too strong. It actually smells like a relaxing scent. Then I also picked up sweet cinnamon pumpkin, but it's not too sweet. It smells like more cinnamon, which I like. I got 3 of these, and these were $12.50. It smells so good. Yeah, that's pretty much all the things I picked up from Bath & Body Works. Since this is a fall haul, I couldn't end the video without letting you guys know what my favorite fall scent is. My favorite fall scent to clean is the limited edition Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in the scent apple cider. I was in between this scent or pumpkin spice, but I bought both of them, and hands down apple cider takes the cake. Like, this is my favorite scent. I'm already like using it all. I'm right here. I'm actually gonna go back for more. I love cleaning my refrigerator with this. I love cleaning my bar with this. Anything, I'm like, okay, I'm like spraying it. Like, it smells so good. It smells so good. So apple cider scent is hands down my favorite one. The pumpkin spice was just too sweet for me. I just couldn't handle it. So gonna incorporate some dessert. If you all have an HEB near you or have an HEB where you live, I highly suggest you go and get these Halloween orange pumpkin cookies. I remember getting these when I was a little girl, like I was 5. In the month of like September, October, they start coming in for sale, and it was just like a tradition for me just like to always get these because, you know, it reminded me of my childhood. These are so good. This is part of fall. Okay guys, so that is the end of my fall haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. So if you guys are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Jessica. I'm 27 years old. I do everything from lifestyle videos, mommy videos, recipes, clean with me. And those of you who are returning viewers, thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't have me on social media, I'll leave all my social media info down in the description box. So yeah guys, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I send all my love and all my kisses. Mwah. Bye.